Hey everyone, I am Tanya. Today in this video, we are gonna learn how to use has been, have been and had been. What are the simple uses of it and what all types of sentences we can make with these three. Before that, I would wanna make you recall when we use has, have and had. So has we use with she, he, it, with any singular noun and with uncountable noun. Have we use with I, we, they and with any plural. And had we use in the past irrespective of its subject. She had, I had, they had. As we know, has and have both are present. So let's discuss its first use, which is quite common. So when you start something from the past and which is still continuing in the present for a while, then we use these kind of sentences that I'm going to tell you right now. Suppose if I say, she has been living in Delhi for 2 years. I have been living in Goa since 2019. If you don't know the concept of for and since, that when we use for and since, then you can comment me below. Otherwise, if you know, then you can focus on the sentences. So when I say she has been living in Delhi for 2 years, it means she started living in Delhi 2 years before and she is still living there. She is still staying there. Similarly, I can say I have been doing my work since morning. She has been talking for 30 minutes. Now we are going to take had. We are gonna apply had been for the same sense but in the past. The thing which started in the past and ended in the past itself. If I say I had been living in Goa for 2 years but now I am residing in Delhi. It means I had been living in Goa but I am not living there anymore. One more example we can take here. Yesterday was Sunday but still I had been doing my household chores since morning. It means I had been doing my household chores. So today is Monday, not Sunday. So I stopped that work, whatever I was doing on Sunday. In the next case, we'll take V3, that is third form of the verb with has, have and had been. Let's pick up a sentence first. If I say I have been invited to his party, I could have said that he invited me or he has invited me to his party. But if I say I have been invited to his party, it means something is happening to me. Like I have been invited to his party. There is something active passive voice is going here, but still I am saying the same thing in a different manner. When I am giving priority to myself, then I am saying I have been invited to his party, and if I give priority to him, then I would say he has invited me to his party. Next sentence we'll take is she has been called to the office. It means somebody has called her to the office. But we are saying that she has been called to the office. It means something has allotted to her, something has happened to her and she has been called. We can take more examples here. I have been allotted as a trainer. She has been asked to do her household chores. So in the same manner, here we can use had been also, which is equivalent to the sentences when we add was plus V3. Let me give you one example here. If I say I had been told to call you, it is equivalent to I was told to call you. Another example, armies had been killed. We can also say armies were killed. However, armies were killed is more suitable here, but still it has similar meanings. So here the most common sentence that I'm gonna tell you is it has been completed. Although I should have said it earlier, but still you can just analyze it now also. It has been completed. It means something which has been fully completed. We say it many a times we say it like that it has been completed. The next thing, when we use has been, have been and had been to explain our traveling experience. Suppose if I say yes, I have been to Delhi, it means I have visited to Delhi. When I say she has been to the mall, it means she has gone to the mall. So the sentence is she has been to the mall. One more common and useful sentence I can give you, which is I have been a topper of my college or school See, I didn't say that I was the topper of my school or college, but I said I have been a topper of my school or college. It means it has been my personality. I hope you might have learned something from the video, and if you have any confusions or doubts, you can ask me on the comment section. We'll meet you soon. Bye-bye.